All right, in this video today, we're going to show you the replacement nozzle that works on all of our different mist products here. We've got the flexible mist kits. We have the hose end. This is called the Cobra. It comes in a 3 and a 2 nozzle mist end. Our professional kits that use these fittings here. The mist nozzles work the same on all of these, so they're all interchangeable. Should be an easy fix. So let me just show you how you replace those. These come with a new O-ring installed, so if you notice that your old ones are clogged, which can happen because of sediment or calcium buildup, just remove the old one. New one just screws right in there. Make sure you screw that down tight, give it a test, and it should run well. Now, if you're still noticing some performance decrease, it could be that the calcium buildup is happening inside the tubing or inside the fitting. We sell a calcium filter, and we sell some cleaner that you hook onto your hose, and it runs this cleaner through your system so that it can clean that out as well. But anyway, this nozzle works on all of our different mist products. Changing it's very simple. If you have any questions about this product, let us know in the comments. We would be happy to help. Thanks.